Hey girl, welcome back to another try on haul. Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the founder of The Boutique by Ursula, and I am a lover of all things beauty. That's your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. But today we are here to talk about your fashion. The Boutique by Ursula is a women's online fashion store. We carry classy, timeless pieces, and here and there I try to mix in a little trendy pieces. But most importantly, our pieces are for the everyday woman. This try-on haul consists of our newest arrivals. Not real new, they've been out for a little while now, for maybe like 3 weeks. And I know I was supposed to do the try-on haul first, but we getting it today. If you have not checked out our newest arrivals, please do so at shoptheboutique.com. And while you're there, make sure you sign up for our email list. Our email list gives you VIP access to be first at whatever we're doing. If we're having a sale, if we're having new arrivals, if I want to just do a surprise, it just whatever. You will be the first to know. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We are at 8K, y'all. 8,000 subscribers. Oh my God, I thank each and every one of you for rocking with The Boutique. I did a name change on my channel. I was formerly Enhanced Beauty by Ursula, but I am no longer a makeup artist or hairstylist. I am now in the fashion industry. Like I said, I'm the founder of The Boutique by Ursula, and I am The Boutique Baddie because I am the model for The Boutique. So that's how the name came about. And I want to thank you for joining the squad, for being a baddie. That's what y'all are. Y'all the baddies. I have 8,000 baddies. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Since we got all that out the way, let's get into the try-on haul. Up first, I have the Confident GWURL Tube Bodycon Midi Dress. Check her out. She is super cute. This is our classic white. Now y'all know, just like we need little black dresses in our closet, we do need white dresses in our closet. We need an all white fit on standby because this is the season for all white parties. So if someone has an all white party, you are already ready. Remember, get your dress, have it in the closet, stay ready so you don't have to get ready. She is moderately see-through. As you can see, my black bra underneath. Now I say she's definitely the perfect dress. But you can also wear her as a swimsuit cover-up. She's perfect. She comes in sizes small, medium, large. I'm wearing a large. Elastic around here fits perfectly. And y'all, she is buttery soft. Like she is super soft to the body. Feels really good against the skin. Very stretchy. I don't want to pull it too much. I don't want to touch it too much because I don't want to mess it up. So, Confident GWURL. Up next, we have our Pretty as a Peach midi dress. She's also a bodycon midi dress. Now that we have our classic all white, here is our classic all black.
You know you want this.
Super cute. I told y'all I love bodycon dresses, but I know it's not all about what I like. So please do tell me in the comments, what do you like? What would you like to see? What kind of pieces you like to rock? And I could possibly bring it to The Boutique. So anyway, this is our classic black, Pretty as a Peach midi dress. She has the side ruching, and ruching is definitely a plus for this right here. If your midsection is not what you like or you're not comfortable with or whatever the case may be, you can bring this ruching up and it can camouflage this midsection. And it's ruching on both sides. One shoulder, she comes in sizes small, medium, large. I'm wearing a large. Let me step back a little more. Super cute. You definitely need her in the closet on standby. Like I said, stay ready so you don't have to get ready. All right, we have the Lucky Girl jumpsuit back again. We now have her in mustard and classic white. Remember I said that white jumpsuit, You definitely need her in the closet. But let's get into the mustard Lucky Girl jumpsuit. Super cute. Perfect color for the summer. It's just the perfect outfit all the way around for the summer. Elastic around here. Functioning drawstring here. Cargo pockets, they are functioning. Elastic around the waist and around all the way around the back. See something sticking out right here. Took my brush straps and tucked them in. So anyway, elastic around the bottom, which means you can pull her up if you choose to and rock her like this. Or you can leave her down like this and rock her. It's up to you. This is the mustard color. And like I said, I also have her in white. You cannot go wrong with either one, mustard or classic white. This is the Lucky Girl jumpsuit. She comes in sizes small, medium, large. I am wearing a size large. So again. Oh yeah, and did I mention she has pockets? All right, y'all, we have another super cute dress. Please forgive me, I cannot remember the name of this dress, but I will put it on the screen. She comes in sizes small, medium, large, and I am wearing a large. She is another, oh, I just remembered the name. GWURL Mesh Maxi Dress, because she is mesh material, see-through. As you can see my bra. Super cute. These vibrant colors, I mean, this dress is screaming summer. Summer. You can wear her as a cover up once again, or you can wear her just as a dress, honey. You cannot go wrong with her. She is bodycon, and I mean ultimate stretch. She conforms to the body. She has this mock neck, and if you don't like the neck sticking up, you can always just tuck it on down, and you don't have to worry about that being all up in your neck summertime. I mean, if you don't like it, just tuck it. But GWURL Mesh, honey.
You know you want this.
Next up is the She's Perfect Midi Maxi Dress. Y'all, I love this dress. I mean, she feels so good. Short sleeve, just let me let you see. Look at her. Super cute. Midi maxi dress. She has the front pockets. Baby, ultimate stretch. She is so stretchy that you are able to size down in this dress. My usual size is a size large, but this is a size medium. So you are able to size down in this dress. So that means if you are a regular size, your usual size is an extra large, then you could fit the size large because you're able to size down. I named her She's Perfect because she is absolutely perfect for whatever. You could dress her up or down. She's perfect. Super cute. Super cute. And I decided to size down because I wanted to show you how she fits closer to the body. I can't fit the large, but the large is looser. So depending on how you like your clothes to fit, that's what you'll go with. Like I said, I think you're able to size down. Okay, look how she fits. And she's a medium. Last but certainly not least, we have the Giving Me Butterflies top. Y'all, this is my favorite piece from the new arrivals. Look at her, super cute. You have the ribbed fabric here. Of course, she contains stretch. You have the organza butterfly sleeves. Like, this top is a statement piece all by itself. Like, you will receive all the compliments when you wear this top. She is super cute. She comes in sizes small, medium, large. I am wearing a large. She is kind of cropped, but she just stops right here at the waist. This is a plus. She's not part of the new arrivals, but she is on the website at 50% off. And that is the You Distressed jeans. Check these jeans out. And they are called You Distressed because, honey, they are cut up all throughout the jeans. Super cute. 50% off now, and we have several sizes in stock. I am wearing a size 13, and they go up to a size 15. From size 7 up to size 15. They fit true to size, and you can get your usual size. I this will conclude our new arrivals try-on haul for shoptheboutique.com. Each one of these pieces are marked down right now. They are on discount at 20% off. So go ahead and shop till your finger not drop but cramp, because we're online. We're open 7 days a week, 24/7. Holidays, you don't have to get out of your bed. You don't have to fight for a parking space. You don't have to get dressed. You can shop whenever you want. That is how convenient it is. So thank you for tuning in to this try-on haul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, share. Sharing means caring. We are at 8,000 subscribers and I am trying to reach 10. So I need you to share. Share. Anywho, I will catch each of you same place, same channel. Adios.